What's up, stackers? So today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Now in this video, this is pretty much going to be affiliate marketing made simple. So if you're new, this video is going to be brilliant and just for you. But first, before we get into that, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with videos on how you can start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, I've just opened up the StackinProfit Inner Circle, that's Stackers Inner Circle, and if you want to come and join, there's going to be a link in the description below or the first pinned comment. So go down, come through, join and check that out. So, affiliate marketing made simple. Now, all affiliate marketing actually is selling other people's products and you make a commission. That is it. That is all affiliate marketing is. Selling other people's shit and then you get paid for doing so. And you can get 75% commissions, 100% commissions, or if you use Amazon, 3 to 10% commissions. It varies on whose products you are actually selling. Now, there's two main platforms that I do really like, and I'm going to explain more of that later on in the video, so you must stay around and stick around for that. So, what you see here in front of you is just a real simple funnel. Now, this is as simple as it gets. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, then this is what you should be doing. Because most people get a product. Let's just go over to Warrior Plus. I'm going to speak more about Warrior Plus in a bit. But let's just say someone wants to promote this. This is Link to Vid. This is actually a really cool software that I have promoted in the past. But say someone wanted to promote this. All they try and do is send traffic. That's people on the internet. That's all that traffic is. What they try and do is try and send traffic straight to the sales page and make money that way. Now, this is a massive no-no. You should not be doing this. Yes, it does work, but once you've made that sale, you've lost that customer because this isn't your product. You're selling it for someone else. So first things first, you need to be collecting emails. That's what this little funnel is about. So this is an opt-in form or a squeeze page. And right here is traffic. Now there's really only two types of traffic. That's free and paid. I'll put AdWords because that's paid, and YouTube is free traffic. Now there's a lot of different niches within free and paid traffic, which I won't get into. But you want to send your traffic, whether that's free or paid, to your opt-in form. Now your opt-in form is just a page where you can collect emails. Now for my instance, this is my squeeze page. Hold on, let me just refresh that. This is my squeeze page. This is where I collect email addresses for affiliate marketing so I can promote affiliate products further down the line. Also provide value as well. So this is mine. Work from home. How to start earning $100 plus per day. Anyone can do this. Now if they click here where it says yes, I want instant access, they then can put in their email address and they go onto my email list. Then so here we are. Free traffic to my opt-in form, my squeeze page. They put in their email address and they go directly. They get email 0 straight away. As soon as they put in that email address, bam, they've got that email. And they also go straight away to a thank you page. And then the thank you page goes to a sales page. And if they buy that product, then I make some money. So if we just put this here, actions, purchase. Why isn't that working? Like that. So let me just hook that bit up. So I've sent traffic, whether that's free or paid. In my case, it's free, and that's YouTube traffic. That traffic gets redirected to my opt-in page, which I'll show you that in a second. Then on the opt-in page, the opt-in form, the squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, they get onto my email list. They go through to my thank you page, which redirects to the sales page. And if they purchase, I then make some money. Now, this is a simple sales funnel. Now, once they're on my email list, I've collected their email, and that email list is mine. No one can take that away from me. Whereas YouTube, your account can get closed down for whatever reason. Other traffic sources can just dry up and stop. But your email list is something you own and own forever. And when you build an email list, that is your lifeline of your business. Every single business should have an email list, and if they don't, then they don't really have a business. Okay, great, Paddy. So what do you do when you've got an email list and you're collecting leads? Well, you want to provide value to that email list. And that can be in the form of your YouTube videos, an article, helpful information to help your subscribers. Anything that can be perceived as value. You want to give as much value as you can, and then you can promote products to your list as well, because people buy from people they like, know and trust. If they don't like, know and trust you, they're not going to buy anything from you. And how do you build up that like, know and trust? Well, by providing value. So when they go onto your squeeze page and they put in their email, they go onto your email list. Email 0 is the one they get straight away, which is going to get redirected to the sales page. Well, you recommend the product in that email. Then email 1 will go out the next day. Then you provide value. Email 2, you provide value. Email 3, you can provide value, or you can promote an offer. Now, with promoting offers, don't be promoting shit products. Otherwise, you're not going to make any sales. Find some cool shit. Yeah. Find cool shit and try and offer them that. Because if you're promoting products that are really shit, no one's going to buy them. If you're promoting products that are actually pretty badass and are really cool, people are going to want to buy them. So, you promote that offer in email 3, and then you go back to value. Value, value. Sell an offer again. It can be the same offer that you did in email 0 or a completely different offer. It is up to you. And then once they've gone through that email 7, they go onto my broadcast list. Now, email 0 to 7 is an autoresponder setup. So I have all of this already set up in my autoresponder. All of this. So people on YouTube go to my squeeze page, put in their email address, and go through my 7-day sequence. Now, all of this just here is fully automated. Once you have it set up, you don't really have to touch it, only to optimize it and to get better conversions. But all this is literally passive. So once they've gone through my 7-day sequence, they then go onto my broadcast list. And with my broadcast list is when I make an email every single day, and I email them providing value to my list, because that's all it comes down to. You have to be providing value. Provide value and promote cool shit. That is it. Anyway, so if we head over to my YouTube, you can see that in the description, in the first 3 lines, I have my number 1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. Click here, and then that gets redirected to my squeeze page, and then they go through my little funnel. So that is affiliate marketing made simple. Now you're probably thinking, that's great, but you're doing it in internet marketing in the make money online niche. Well, this works in any niche, and you don't need YouTube to do this. You can do paid advertising, free traffic, it doesn't matter. You just need all of this set up. It doesn't matter where the traffic is coming from, because this is just a basic funnel and it works no matter what. Now with YouTube, I'm going to show you another little funnel. This is like my content marketing funnel on how I get everyone onto here. So if we go to this, so this is a content marketing funnel. Now I don't see anyone really talking about this. They just show sales funnels and all that jazz. But this is the Stacking Profit channel. This could be your channel. It doesn't matter. This is just free traffic. Then all these are little videos. I actually call them PIMs, passive income machines, because that is what they literally are once you understand all of this. But each one of these is a video. Each video you SEO, try and rank it in YouTube search so you can get more views, because then more views equals more people on your email list. So all these are different types of videos, and they all get redirected to the app, to the opt-in form, where they go onto the email list, where you provide value, promote cool shit, and make money in the process. Now over the next few weeks I will be bringing out a course on how you can do this all for free with free traffic from YouTube. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to set all of this up and how to have little PIMs, passive income machines, working for you 24/7, bringing you leads and sales and making you money. So if you're interested, there will be a link in the description to the online courses. It will probably be StackinProfit.com/courses. So if you're interested or watching this in the future, go through and check that out. Now, as I stated at the beginning of this video, I want to talk about 2 affiliate networks that you should be using when you first start doing this. Most people talk about ClickBank. ClickBank for beginners. Well, I don't think you should be using that if you're a beginner, because it takes forever for you to get paid. Okay, so what I reckon you should do is sign up for Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. So that's Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. Main reason being, once you've signed up for JV Zoo and Warrior Plus and you start promoting products on there, once you've made a handful of sales, you can then get instant commissions directly to your PayPal. So with ClickBank, you're going to have to wait over a month. You have to make a few sales as well first there, but you get a check if you're somewhere else in the world rather than America. Whereas JV Zoo and Warrior Plus, you make a handful of sales. Once you've made that sale, you get instant commissions directly into your PayPal. This is why I reckon JV Zoo and Warrior Plus are 2 of the best networks that you can use when you're just starting out. Now, if you found value in this video, drop a comment down below letting me know, and let me know if you want more training like this or more in-depth training on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, anything internet marketing related. Drop that comment down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.